This video is video 2 of our emojis. What we're going to do here is we are going to take our 3 drawings that we sketched out that we want to do for our final, and we are going to put them on good paper. Now I have changed my mind. I am going to stick to this one and the sunflower, but instead of the strawberry, I am going to add a paint palette, which I found. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our 3 pictures and we're going to put them aside. We're going to get our good paper. We're going to be working on a textured watercolor paper. It's thicker. This is really good for when we start to add value. You're going to take a ruler. You're going to put the ruler right at the edge of the paper, and you are going to lightly, like so lightly that you could hardly see it, draw a line. This is going to be a line where we line up all of our emojis so that they are all the same level. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first start out with my Emojicon because I'm doing the kissy face. So we're going to put that down and we're going to trace this in here. I'm just kind of laying them out so that they are nice and even on my paper. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out the shapes of my other 2 emojis. So I'm going to put my flower here and I'm going to kind of just sketch out the base of it to make sure that it's nice and even. It's about the same size. And I'm going to really look this time at all of the details that I see in the emoji. Okay, so at this point I'm going to actually sit here and I'm going to count the petals so that I make sure that I am drawing every single little thing that I see, because these aren't that detailed. So it's really important that we get these to be really accurate. So we're going to end up drawing these as much as we can to perfect them. So we're going to keep going with this. Okay, and I'm going to continue that in a little bit. I'm going to skip ahead and I'm going to do the paint palette over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of sketch it out. Notice I'm still using this line that I drew originally as my guideline so that they all are at the same level. You don't want to press down real hard with your pencils. Okay, press down very lightly so that you can erase if you mess up. And it's going to be really good when we go to add value, because you're not going to have a really thick pencil line underneath of your image. All right, so I'm going to continue tracing or drawing the palette. So this class, the next step is to continue drawing all of the little details that you see in your emojis. Every little thing. When you're finished drawing, and pretend that I'm finished because I could sit here for about another 15 minutes and draw, you're going to erase this bottom grid line that you drew at the bottom. You don't need this, you're not going to use it, so then you're going to sit there and you're going to erase it. The next step after this is to continue and start with value. And we're going to be using color sticks and colored pencils to add value and form to our emojis. If you have any questions, please